All right, let's see how you did on this example. The equation you should have obtained, I have written in blue, and then you're evaluating the function at 36 because from 1984 to 2020, that's 36 years. The final answer that I have, I went ahead and converted it because it says that the average salary is listed in thousands of dollars. Something else that you could also do is just do a direct substitution. The answer that I'm giving, though, is a little bit more precise. I use the Y1 feature. Let's look at our last example together. This one is talking about the temperature of a soup cup that's left on the countertop. And you'll notice that that temperature is decreasing, so this would be a good example of exponential decay. We'll enter those into our calculator, into both Y1 or L1 and L2. So stat edit, and I went ahead and entered those in. Once again, you always want to double check your numbers in here to make sure that you entered them in correctly so that you get the right answer. Once we run our exponential regression, we'll get a nice output. And one more time showing you alpha trace y1 to store that equation in. All right, so I went ahead and copied this exponential screen, and we'll write the equation and then answer the question at the end. So the equation for this one will round to 4 decimal places as well. We've got f of x is equivalent to 180.3769 multiplied by 0.9539 raised to the x power. Okay, this question is not asking me after how many minutes, what's the temperature, but it's asking me how long is it going to take for that soup to be 90 degrees. How long means we're trying to figure out what the time would be or what our input is. So the 90 degrees Fahrenheit is what we will put on the left side of the equation. And since that variable x is buried up in that exponent spot, we need to solve this using logarithms. So what I will do is divide over that constant, the a value out front, to isolate the base. And we'll need to convert, so this will be log base 0.9539 of 90 over 180.3769, and that will be what x is equivalent to. Now, our final answer is just a couple calculator strokes away. You'll go ahead and hit math and scroll up. You'll see log base as an option, and our base is 0.9539. And then we'll also enter in 90 divided by 180.3769. So my answer, 14.7307. Now, it also depends on how you round in that original equation. You may have obtained a slightly different answer, but that's why it's so important to show your work for this particular type of question. I will be grading based on your quality of work, what you're writing down, so on and so forth. Now go ahead and work on the worksheet. It will be the back side of yesterday's worksheet. That's where you'll see your regression problems.